making our artists, content creators, and many other people in that space to explore opportunities, make money, and grow their talents. I was looking at one of the best paying content creator is now at 7 million shillings every month. And one of the largest digital TVs is already up and running. We already have 15 digital TVs, and that space is expanding. So again, there is opportunity for our young people, and the display of talent here just confirms what else we can do as a country to promote our economy, especially the creative economy. Therefore, KICD, I am looking forward to you reporting to me how much money you have made from all this content, and then I will tell you how we are going to share that money between those who have done it and everybody else. And maybe in the near future, we will not be looking for money from the exchequer to host this great talent. It should be able to run itself because we have what it takes to make it run on itself. So I am truly happy that we are moving this process in this direction. Let me also say that on the subject of teachers, I know we have a wonderful teaching force in Kenya. We've all moved to the next level. I know there are discussions between the Teacher Service Commission and the teacher representatives. I want to ask them to expedite the negotiations because Government of Kenya has provided the resources for teachers to enhance their pay packages. So if we can conclude the negotiations so that teachers can go forward and benefit from the resources that we have made available. I also want to ask all the other stakeholders to make it easy and faster for us to find agreement so that we can move forward together as a nation. So I am truly grateful to all of you who have participated. You have worked very hard. I know that it's not easy always to organize such a big meeting, big event, 130,000 people. I saw First Lady calculating in her mind how 130,000 people look like. That's quite, she was, because 130,000 people is quite a feat. I'm even surprised that Frederick is saying we should increase to 230,000 people, 60,000. That's quite momentous. What I think we need to agree on is, Waziri, to try and see how more of the children with special needs can also be part of this festival. We need to celebrate them, and we need to make sure that they too join the celebration of our culture, the celebration of our talent, and be able to take the country forward. Finally, let me also say that this is not a celebration, this is not just a celebration of talent, it's also a celebration of our culture. I see through this talent a celebration of who we are as a country, a celebration of our diversity. And this is as it should be. This is the Kenya that we all must be proud of.